I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Welcome back, guys. We're going to be going ahead and taking off the front lip and the gas cap cover so that we can send that stuff off to paint with the Nismo bumper. That should be going in on Monday, so it'll probably be about the same day you guys actually see the video go up. So this video is going to include a little bit of driving, a little bit of removal on some stuff, and then just kind of a wrap up of stuff that we want to do to this car, and then we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Alright guys, well, there's not much holding on this lip. I've got this bracket here, that bracket there, and then there is 2 bolts on the side, and then 3M tape all the way across the front. And we'll go ahead and remove all that, and I'll catch back up with you guys. I think when I actually put this lip on, I had to use this little bitty ratchet guy. You know, whatever works. Slip's already been reattached once too, since it got hit on the highway and kind of kicked it off, so I don't actually know if some of these bolts are even in place. She looks so sad without the lip. Go ahead and get all this tape off here. That's probably gonna be fun. First time when I got it, they gave me some cheap 3M tape that I don't think was actually 3M. I think it was just some random crap that just said 3M on it. That didn't stick at all. This stuff actually has been on here for a while, and it's still pretty stuck on, as you can see. I'm gonna try and clean all this up so this looks decent while this is off. Although I don't plan on driving it. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. And then temps are supposed to drop today. Is actually like 60 something degrees, which is why I'm out here. Lip is off, and I can for sure say that it is in rough shape. It's cracked here pretty good, and that all happened whenever it got in the accident. So I'm hoping that he can fix it all, and the car now looks pretty boring in my opinion. It makes the front end look really high with these tires on it. But we're gonna go ahead and grab some cleaning chemicals, and we'll go ahead and wipe that down a little bit, and then we're gonna work on that gas cap. Wrong one. We'll use this. And I think that there is some rags down under here. This one will do for now. Let's clean this. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see all that texture in the bumper? The guy that had it before me, his dad said he worked at a quarry and he used to drive a lot. And I think he used to drive behind rock trucks all the time, because I've got this stuff all over. It kind of feels like sandpaper. You would think it's like bugs or something. No, it's not. Trying to clean this stuff off here. Does not want to come off. Let me give it some scrubbing. It doesn't really matter if this stuff comes off or not, because it's going to be going back on again. But I just hate to have the little glue line and dirt all up underneath here. Alright guys, now that we're done with the lip, we're going to go ahead and move on to this gas cap. I read that it's literally 2 bolts and a clip or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into that, try to get it off. The only reason I'm taking this off is because we have a chance for snow, and I really don't want to have to drive the car in any snow or slush or whatever to the paint shop and leave it there. So I'm just going to give him this as a paint match, and it should be good. He painted my wing too, and I mean, as you can see, it's pretty much a dead-on match. And that was without the car or the gas cap, so this is probably even overkill. But I'm going to take that off, and I'll get back to you guys. So as far as I can tell, it should just be that bolt, and then I don't know what clip they're talking about, but I'm guessing it's something on the back side. So let's go ahead and pop these off. Make sure we don't lose those. I see no clip. It just comes right off. That's that. You like that scratch in the middle? The scratch that goes all the way down. First week I had the GAR, somebody keyed it and I got quoted at a lot of money to fix it, and I didn't really want to. Maybe he'll fix it while this is there. Man, you can really see that sparkle. But for now, we're gonna head out and we're gonna go for a quick drive. See if we can get some cool shots, maybe some rollers or something. What's up, guys? Here in the Z. Right now we're just kind of stuck behind a couple people, but we're gonna do a couple little rips here and there. It's a little cold out, so the tires are probably gonna spin a little bit. Well, how's it going, guys? So we're at the sandy covered bridge in Missouri, I guess House Springs area, but I figured I'd talk about the car a little bit. So I am planning to do quite a bit to this car, but this will not be a rushed project just for YouTube. I have a lot of plans. It's going to be getting test pipes, it's going to be getting an exhaust, it's going to be getting possibly a supercharger kit in the future. I would like to have the headlights redone. I would like to upgrade to the big brakes that come on the Sports, and then I would also like to get the Nismo seats along with the front and rear Nismo bumpers, which we're getting the rear Nismo bumper. I actually already have it. It's going to be getting painted, but the front just costs an ungodly amount of money to find and get, so for the time being, we're going to settle for that. Yeah, so here's the Z. She's looking good as always. Color is really hard to see, especially right now because it's kind of dark. But man, does she look good. I'm going to try and do a couple revs for you guys real quick. It's kind of hard because I don't have anything to hold the camera, but I'll set it down somewhere and figure something out. She sounds pretty good. Like I said, this exhaust is it's a HKS high power with cutouts where the exhaust is. Now I don't know if you guys can hear this on the camera. There's a little clacking sound. That is my catalytic converters that are blown out currently. So the test pipes are definitely on their way as soon as possible. The ones I want are on back order. They kind of always are. So I'm just gonna have to order them one day and get them, and haven't decided if I'm gonna install those myself just because they are kind of a pain in the butt. Alright guys, well the lip's off and you know, bumper's looking a little sad. But thanks for watching. Remember, this is Drew Works. We're always gonna make the dream work. Tune in next week or the week after. This thing's going to be up on jack stands, and we're going to be fixing the axle clicking issue that I have. I got all the parts in and we're ready to do it now. I'm going to have my wife take a couple videos of what it sounds like when we're driving. But thanks again. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. Be sure to follow the Instagram too. It's the same name, and vice versa. Thanks guys. Bye.